The flat hands technique works wonders for massaging the legs. With both hands, you can effortlessly cover all the leg muscles by gliding from the inside to the outside. Take your time and be sure to adjust the intensity according to the recipient's needs. For a more precise and targeted pressure, using just one hand works wonders. If necessary, increase the pressure by pressing down with your fingertips. Using the outside edges of your hands or your thumb can be remarkably effective when massaging the inner and lateral parts of the legs. When using the flat hand technique on the shin muscles, apply pressure by pressing just beside the shin bone with your fingertips, gliding upward into the muscles. For the posterior leg muscles, we can smoothly cover both the bottom and top of the posterior legs in one continuous motion. Be mindful to reduce pressure when passing over the knee joint. Always ensure that your entire hand stays in contact with the skin. Avoid lifting your hands off the legs. Instead, glide smoothly as you move downward, maintaining constant contact for a seamless and relaxing experience.